Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on how to measure mass. We have already seen that the basic units for mass are the gram and kilogram. We can use the ton to measure very large masses like trucks and other heavy machinery. How do we measure mass? There are many types of scales we can use for measuring mass. The size of the mass in question will determine what scale is used. Measuring grams. There are many types of kitchen scales which can be used at home when cooking all sorts of dishes. The above scales are measuring 141 grams of flour. This very popular ingredient is used for a variety of reasons in the kitchen, hence measurements must be accurate. The scale to the left is a very popular item in the kitchen and can be used to measure ingredients which have a mass of up to 2 kilograms. Measuring larger masses. To measure the mass of a human being or any object with a mass of around 100 kilograms, different scales need to be used. As we can see, the above scale can measure a mass which is as high as 120 kilograms. The spring scale to the left works when the spring is pulled. These scales are very handy to measure luggage, to make sure it is not too heavy before boarding an aeroplane. These scales work by placing a particular mass made of metal on one side. So that's where you place the mass here, and there are different masses and you just place them on depending on the mass you need. The scales are balanced when the object on the other side has the same mass as the metal on the other side. So for example, let's say you wanted to measure 50 grams of flour. You put 50 grams here, and then you keep adding the flour till the scale is balanced, and that tells you that the flour here will be 50 grams. The weighbridge above is used to find the mass of large vehicles. These are placed along the main highways of many countries. Vehicles whose mass could be many tons are required by law to drive over the weighbridge. There are particular safety limits imposed on all large vehicles excuse me, such as semi-trailers.